introduce himself here with a minute left, and again, only 2-0. Jake Paul has to be careful when clinching with Mike Tyson. Just ask Kevin McBride, just ask Francois Bota, Evander Holyfield, you get the gist.
Yeah, Tyson's got a good one here.
And the jab from Jake Paul. It was expected that he would use lateral movement, circle, use the jab, try to wear out Mike Tyson.
यार कहीं से जितना फुर्तीला है कहीं से 57 का लग नहीं रहा मैंने ओए मारा से
His most effective punch again. He is knocked down or knocked out every opponent he has faced. There's the jab. Now Paul setting the rhythm.
दूसरा trick. Trick देखिए. Boy moves his head.
Telling Tyson to keep it above the belt, not below the combat sports demilitarized zone.